Hi, how is the winter treating your skin? Today I am going to talk about a sunscreen that is marketed as a kid sunscreen, but I think it's really good for adults and it is great under makeup. I will talk about that in a bit. If you know me, you would know that I've been talking about skincare products non-stop, and I usually review them when I have tried and tested them out. If you're interested in finding out about products, before you spend your money, you should think about subscribing to my channel. These are all non-sponsored reviews that I've been putting up since the last few months. Today I wanted to talk about this Cetaphil sunscreen, Sun Kiss SPF 50 plus liposomal lotion, very high protection. It's a really beautiful sunscreen with a glowy finish. I know it says it's for kids, but this is another reason you should look beyond marketing terms and see the ingredient list. This is a chemical sunscreen, not a mineral one. If your skin cannot tolerate fragrance, I think your skin might really like it because this sunscreen is fragrance free. It has new age filters we love like Tinoxoft filters and Octinoxate. I'll come back to Octinoxate a little later. But this sunscreen has no fragrance, leaves no white cast. It does take a while to spread it out, but once it has spread out well, it is beautiful. Some of you have been asking questions about combination skin types. This is a sunscreen that is great across skin types. If you have skin on the drier side, you would not need a moisturizer. What I like about this sunscreen is that it has been listed as 4 hours water resistant. So if you're out for a long time, if you're going swimming, etc., this is an excellent sunscreen. Now, the caveat. This might not happen to everybody, but I think I have slight sensitivity in my eyes when I apply sunscreens with Octinoxate in it. This stings my eyes. So what I do when I apply this sunscreen, and I'm telling you, I do repurchase the sunscreen because of the finish, it's beautiful, is that I apply mineral sunscreen around my eyes and then I go in with this sunscreen all across my face and neck and wherever, but not around my eyes. If you think this might cause an eye sting, you could do that as well. But I would not like to give up on the sunscreen because I can use a mineral sunscreen and it's available in local pharmacies, it's available in grocery stores. You can find it online in several places. Do you want to see how the texture looks like? Okay, it's time for texture check for this Cetaphil Sun Kids. Here you go. Huge bottle. It's very fast absorbing, it's light, and I really like how it feels under makeup. So now you can see on filter free skin, I'm again not putting it around my eyes because it will sting. I have another sunscreen around my eyes, so don't worry about it. Here you go. Can you see? I think I really like the texture of this sunscreen. Okay, so that's all I have for today. And if you've used this sunscreen ever, tell me in the comments if you liked it or not. If you've used it on your kids or if you've used it on yourself, let me know if you like it. And before you go, please subscribe. See you.